Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying Crave's Great Barrier Relief $28 moisturizing skin barrier repairing serum. I purchased this with my own money, hashtag not sponsored. With that being said, initially why I bought this product is because I actually like what they said on the website about this product. So half of the proceeds of this product goes to benefit the Great Barrier Reefs. I think that's a wonderful idea. I am all about, and that is one of the reasons why I bought this product. The Great Barrier Reef could literally be explained like being the mitochondria in your body. Literally, you give your mitochondria to your children, or your parents give their mitochondria to you. Like, that's like part of our DNA. That's how I see the barrier reef, so it's really important. So I really enjoy the fact that Crave gives half the proceeds to the Great Barrier Reef. Now I would like to see on Lila Yu's channel or the Crave website of them aiding. Like, I want to see them going out to see the barrier reef that we bought this product, so I can know where half the proceeds of this went. I'm just joking, you guys. I'm just joking. Only 2% of the sales go. I'm just joking. Calm down. I already know the stand's gonna dislike the video for me being messy, but you know what? Let's go ahead and swatch this product. So it's essentially not like most serums. It's not runny. The texture is really thick and creamy. So that is the texture. It's very watery. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Okay, so we're gonna smell the product first. It smells very nutty. So it smells like, so this is how I like to do it. I know everybody tell you to do it differently. Do it how you want to do it. It's essentially a serum. So serums can either be patted in, rubbed in. It all depends on you, honey. Y'all know I prefer not to waste product because I already put a lot of product on my skin. If you say this too much product, look at your head and look at my head. Okay, enough said. Let me get my neck. I like to get my neck. Okay, and then I have the swatch. So yeah, it has like a nutty sunflower smell to it. Oh yes. Oh, I can already feel people saying, oh my god, this is too much product. But I like the fact that it looks creamy, but it goes on like a water cream. Oh my god, it just melts into the skin. I love that fact about this serum. Oh, look. Oh yes. Okay, you guys, so I got enough to get my elbows. See why I put a lot? Because I could get my elbows, my ashy hands, her lip, help protect my moisture barrier with my lips. Y'all know my skin's been oversensitized lately. A lot of you have mentioned it in the comment section. So yeah, let me go ahead and do a close-up. All day, baby, all day glow. And it's not a glossy, ugly glow. It's a shiny. It's not dewy. Y'all know I don't like dewy looks. It's just, whoo, yeah. So I am going to let it dry down for 20 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so it's been 20 minutes and I am going to go ahead and do a close-up so you can see what the serum looks like. So here is my face. What do you guys think? Let me turn the light down. What do you guys think? Oh my god. What do you guys think? Let me look in the mirror. Oh my god. It's nice and shiny. I look good. I look glowy. I look glowy, not dewy. Forget dewy. It's all about glowy. Glowy. You know what, you guys, let's talk about it. Now, I was contemplating on not reviewing any more Crave products on my channel, and the reason being is because, you know, I buy the products with my money. I bought them, and I get a lot, like my Oh So Simple water cream review got a lot of like hate from a lot of people, getting mad at me, disliking my video, telling me I don't know what I'm talking about, telling me that, oh, you are an instant person, you need instant gratification, because I got mad that shipping took 5 days to get here from LA. But mind you, everybody's shipping on the East Coast took 3 days. Maybe they should worry about they shipping warehouse in Long Beach and why it's taking 5 days to get to Arizona, but 3 days from the East Coast. And a lot of people are stans of this company because it's from a YouTuber. And when companies are from a YouTuber, you know, you're critical of the product, people get mad and feisty with you. I don't understand why I'm always the person. I buy the product, I have an opinion, yeah, I'm the one that get a lot of sass from y'all. Y'all love to give me sass, but that's here nor there. I'm just saying that was what was going to prevent me from reviewing any more Crave products, but I decided, you know what, I need to be a little more professional, a little more mature, and come into my matureness and go ahead and review the product because I genuinely like it. A lot of you have told me how my skin has been oversensitized in the comments because some of the products I have been using, even though they create burning sensations or they can create tingling sensations, it was more extreme for me. And you felt, even though I have combination skin, my skin is oversensitized. So I have been testing this product for 3 weeks, and I could tell you it's one of my favorite products that I actually would love to keep in my arsenal. I am going to start using way less of the product because it's looking a little low, as you can see, but it is perfect for people whose skin is oversensitized. If you have sensitive skin and you are looking to repair your moisture barrier, get your moisture barrier back intact, this will help aid in protecting your moisture barrier. I like the fact that this is a non-greasy serum. It really goes on like a water gel, but it's very thick to the point where you can actually use it as an overnight moisturizer. I think it's a wonderful moisturizer for all skin types, unlike the Oh So Simple water cream, which was only for oily skin. I personally felt I like the fact that this one is definitely for all skin types, meaning if you have oily skin, this will not clog your pores. If you have dry skin, this will not dry your skin out, although I think you should layer with something else if you have dry skin. If you have normal to combination skin, you will love this product. This product goes on like water, but to the point where it gives you a nice silky feeling to your skin and making your skin feel hydrated once the product dries down, so you'll notice a glowy look as opposed to a dewy look. This really will go wonderful with your foundation. I like the fact that when I have put makeup on with this product, it did not make my foundation look bad. It did not make my foundation look like, you know, cakey. Like certain moisturizers will make my foundation look sort of cakey, like literally like, girl, that foundation. And y'all know I wear a cover girl. I got a cover girl face here, you know, that's what I wear. So you know sometimes drugstore products don't work with a lot of moisturizers. You got to work with it really good. So I like the fact that this is actually one of those serums where I could apply it and apply my foundation and it doesn't make it look cakey, it doesn't make it look sweaty. I also like the fact that, in my personal opinion, this moisturizer could be worn all year round. I think it's definitely, I feel you should layer in the winter with this moisturizer. However, when summer approaches, this is one of those moisturizers where you could just put it on and then add a sunscreen and bam, you are ready to go to the beach. It does not sweat. I live here in Arizona, so it's sort of like summer here in Arizona all throughout the whole entire year. And I noticed that personally, when I was out and we had days where it was pretty warm here, that it did not sweat, it did not get into my eye, it didn't give me dirty, grimy, greasy, gunky feeling on my skin like, oh my god, I need an exfoliation ASAP. This serum did not do that. I really enjoy this serum, and if you are looking to repair your moisture barrier, I think this product by Crave is a great product. If that is something you are looking to and you're tired of using drugstore, I do think CeraVe is cheaper, but if you want something a little more wow, a little more oomph in your skincare, if you're looking for something to like go whoa, this is it. Yes, I think this product is perfect for that. Now, normally what I like to do after, which I didn't do, is go in with my Relief Moisture Balm, because I just like this combination. And normally all I do after I caked on my Great Barrier Relief, this is how much I use. And I just go all over my skin, and oh my god, this is like one of the best combinations possible. Now, I will say this, that the Moisture Balm does have a fragrance in it, but I love this combination so much. I tried it with the Oh So Simple Water Cream. I tried it again even after I reviewed it, and I tested it for a week and still didn't like it. And I just don't like the combination with the Oh So Simple Water Cream. I really enjoy the combination with the Relief Moisture Balm. That's just my thoughts on what I prefer. You know, everyone's skin is different. This is my opinion. Y'all always get mad at my, I am not allowed to have an opinion. Yeah, I get on here and have an opinion all the time, but y'all don't ever, y'all get so mad at me, it is not funny. It is not even funny how mad y'all get at me. But you know what? I'm gonna keep coming on here and annoying you until you love me. With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know your thoughts about Craze Great Barrier Relief Serum. Or do you love it? Do you like it? Has it helped to repair your moisture barrier? Has it helped your oversensitized skin? Do you have oversensitized skin where anything that touches your skin makes it sensitive, especially when it comes to glycolic acids, especially when it comes to salicylic acid, any type of mask that have a lot of acids in it that are geared to exfoliate the skin? Do you get a burning sensation? Have you thought about repairing your moisture barrier? If you have, I really suggest you go ahead and get this product. You could get 2 of these. They're $28. It's really not expensive. I keep looking for the top for this and I can't find it. It's really not expensive. And I like the fact that they do give you $40 is free shipping, so you could buy 2 products, you know, because most of their products are $28. So you could buy 2 products and then you get free shipping. You don't have to buy 6 or 7 products. And I like the fact that, you know, it's affordable. $40 free shipping. I like that fact. With that being said, you guys, I really hope, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.